Three major camera changes, a bigger battery that could cross 5,500 milliamp hours, and the biggest front design shift since the iPhone X. This is the iPhone 18 Pro Max Apple isn't openly talking about yet. One of the biggest rumors Apple is walking away from is the long-hyped 200-megapixel camera. Trusted leaker Digital Chat Station reports that while Apple has been co-developing a 200-megapixel sensor with Samsung, the project is still stuck in material evaluation. A separate Morgan Stanley investor note backs this up, suggesting Apple will not ship a 200-megapixel iPhone sensor until around 2028, possibly with the iPhone 21. Instead of chasing pixel count, Apple is pivoting toward multispectral imaging, a system that allows the camera to read wavelengths beyond basic red, green, and blue. This enables the phone to distinguish materials, real skin versus artificial surfaces, natural textures versus synthetics, and process images more accurately at the source. It's computationally and optically complex, which is why the higher megapixel jump is being delayed. What Apple is delivering sooner is arguably more important: mechanical variable aperture. Digital Chat Station claims the iPhone 18 Pro Max will retain dual 48-megapixel cameras for the main and periscope lenses, but add a physical iris, similar to a DSLR. This means the lens can physically open and close depending on lighting conditions. In bright environments, it can stop down for sharper images with better depth. In low light, it can open wider to pull in more light naturally, reducing reliance on aggressive night mode processing. This marks a clear shift from heavy computational photography to optical precision. Design is also set for a long-awaited reset. Reports indicate Apple is finally ready to deploy under-display Face ID using a microglass splicing technique. This allows infrared sensors to sit beneath the screen without visible cutouts. While a small pinhole for the selfie camera may remain, the dynamic island pill shape is expected to disappear, delivering the highest screen-to-body ratio in iPhone history. On the hardware side, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to be slightly thicker than the iPhone 17 Pro Max, allowing room for a larger battery. With the current Pro Max already crossing 5,000 milliamp hours, estimates point toward 5,300 to 5,500 milliamp hours, improving longevity at the cost of a small weight increase. Battery gains may be further extended by Apple's next-gen custom communication chips, potentially the C2 or C2X, with talk of Wi-Fi 8 readiness and improved power efficiency. Satellite connectivity is another major leap. Reports suggest Apple is negotiating expanded satellite services, possibly involving Starlink, enabling off-grid connectivity far beyond current emergency features, potentially even mid-flight. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to launch in September 2026, with pricing likely starting higher than the iPhone 17 Pro Max due to hardware upgrades, with estimates pointing just above the current premium tier.